This is a quick update to let you guys know how we're doing with the integrated caps. We've got about 70 of them made so far, and we got the bills in on Monday. So 150 bills, and we got another 150 coming next week and every week after that. We've got about 400 caps to do, so within 3 weeks we'll be caught up with everybody. This is how they come, and then we cover them with this foam covering here. So this is laser cut in our location in North Carolina, and then we just put it on when it arrives and put all the little stuff on it. And there's the little screws, and we got 6 holes where we just bite into the bill just like that. And there's the magnetic dock right there, and this is the little dock holder. This is pretty cool. This goes into the wall. If you want to mount it on the wall, you can. And this is how it looks when the cable is connected. This goes into like that. So it just looks like that and mounts onto the wall and goes down. Hard to do it one-handed. 1 second. So it's like that, and then you just hook it onto the cap. Just like that. That's how it works. And what else? Let me think of anything else I need to tell you guys. Yeah, so we should be caught up within 3 weeks. It looks like we're on track to be done by the end of August with everybody's reward. All right, that's it.